Investing your money will help you get rich very quickly. But only if you do smart investments. Many people invest their money into anything and starts expecting profits from it, but at the end, sees themselves drowning in losses. Thus, smart and accurate investments are required. In this video, we will be telling you the 12 best investments that will make you rich very quickly. Watch the video till the end as the last investment is very amazing. Now let's start. 1. Owning your primary resource. Home ownership is a frequent route to a significant rise in wealth. If you want to build equity and save money on interest, don't go for the standard 30-year mortgage. Instead, choose a shorter term of 15 or 20 years. When filing as a married couple, you may realize up to $500,000 in capital gains tax-free after selling your mortgage-free property. Depending on whether the cost of ownership is affordable in comparison to overall living expenditures, renting may be a better financial option than buying a home in certain expensive metropolitan locations. 2. Retirement savings. Even if retirement is decades away, it pays to start putting money away now to ensure a comfortable financial future. It's never too early to start saving for retirement, and tax-deferred accounts like a 401k or conventional IRA can really help your nest egg grow. Strive to contribute the maximum amount to your retirement plan each pay period, particularly if your employer offers a matching contribution. The more regular you are about putting money into saves, the more your nest egg will develop and the more money you will have in the long run. 3. Rental properties. Investing in rental property with the help of a bank loan is a great way to increase your wealth. Once you begin collecting rent, you may put that money toward the mortgages instead of spending it on other things. Your investment will grow in value, and your equity will grow as well. If you don't have the capital to buy a home outright but have a head for investments, you may find a group of investors to put up the money for a down payment in exchange for a share of the property's equity. It is possible to negotiate a management fee with the investors once you have successfully funded the rental property. Do subscribe our channel and also press the like button to know more amazing investments to get rich. 4. Second home. A smart approach to generate passive income is to rent out a second property on a short-term basis using a service like HomeAway, VRBO, or Airbnb. Initially, you may want to focus the additional funds on making mortgage payments. Then, after you've paid off the mortgage, you'll own a sizable asset and may reap the passive income from renting it out if you so desire, perhaps increasing your net worth significantly. 5. Your health. Your health is one of the most important resources you can invest in. This means you may put in longer hours at work and accomplish more without breaking the bank on costly doctor visits, procedures, or medications. Take care of your health by eating well, exercising regularly, and scheduling frequent appointments with your doctor. 6. Education. A degree is one of your most valuable possessions, yet you may not have considered it as such before. Putting money into your education so you can get a better career or rise through the ranks may provide huge returns. Even after completing a bachelor's degree, you may continue learning. You may also take financial educations at any age by attending seminars and reading financial books. You may use a credit union student loan to cover the expense of professional development programs if the credit union offers Sallie Mae Bank or a lending partner in-school student loans and parent loans. For those of you who need further convincing, for the same $6,000 increase in income that may be earned via a promotion or yearly raise as a consequence of extra schooling, you would need to invest $300,000 in a savings account earning 2% interest. 7. Investing. Although investments have the potential to increase one's income, they are never a guarantee. Make sure you do your homework before putting money into anything. A firm grasp of the best times to purchase and sell equities is also necessary. It's not necessary to go out on your own if you lack stock market expertise. Consult a financial advisor to learn how to build a portfolio of equities that fits your tolerance for risk and your desired rate of return. 8. Preserve your house. It makes sense to put money into home upkeep since your house is probably one of your biggest assets. Investing in repairs like a new roof, clean gutters, and HVAC tune-ups might help you recoup some of your costs when it comes time to sell. However, if you don't keep up with your house, prospective buyers may use the fact that it needs work as a bargaining chip, resulting in a lower selling price and less cash in your pocket. 9. Items for the home. Consider the larger picture before dismissing the idea that a new fridge or laptop will help you build wealth. When making a major purchase like a car, it's wise to invest in the highest quality, longest-lasting goods you can afford while keeping the item's depreciation rate in mind. Maintenance costs and appliance replacements may quickly add up, but investing in long-lasting products can help you save money and build wealth. Find the greatest discounts, read reviews, and compare items to figure out which brands and models are worth the money. 10. College savings. It is common practice for parents to take title to a 529 college savings plan on behalf of their children, so increasing the latter's wealth until the time comes to spend the funds for higher education. Investing in a 529 plan allows for tax-free growth and dividends for eligible higher education costs. Additionally, there are no fees or taxes incurred when transferring the money to a new beneficiary. Several siblings, for instance, could share a sum of money. 11. Non-governmental loans. You may increase your wealth by acting as a bank for others and earning interest payments on their behalf. It is possible to earn income through investing in private loans, notes, and trust deeds, which are all ways of lending money to borrowers in the private sector. When you invest in such a way, you can be certain that you will get a fixed rate of return regardless of fluctuations in the value of the asset backing your investment. To safeguard your interests, investigate a possible investment thoroughly and think about seeking the counsel of an experienced expert, such as a broker, organization, or a partner who has been duly licensed by the relevant authorities. 12. A permanent policy of life insurance. While it's true that most policies don't provide access to funds until after a person's death, certain life insurance policies do. The premiums you put into a permanent life insurance policy, such as a whole life, universal life, or variable life policy, will accumulate tax-free. Cash values in insurance policies are available tax-free once they reach a specified threshold. All that money is an asset that may help boost your net worth if you subtract out all the costs. Consult an impartial broker specializing in permanent life insurance if you are interested in this kind of policy. That's all for today. Now you know all the best investments that you must do to become a millionaire in this year. These investments are important, but another thing is also important, and that thing is investing rules. Actually, if you don't know the rules of investing, then you could never become rich. Comment below if you want to know the rules of investing. We will surely make a video on that topic. Press the subscribe button and also the notification bell to stay updated to our channel as we regularly upload amazing financial videos. Press the like button also. And one more thing, share this video with all of your friends. Thank you for watching the video till here.